Yeah, guys, so now we're actually inside here at the Dubai port terminal. We are now going out, guys. Dubai port terminal, cruise port terminal. Dubai cruise port terminal. So we are actually going out. Yo, it's too dark outside. But anyway, too dark, but the ship is, our cruise ship has got lights. Yeah, our cruise ship has got lights, guys. This is that we went outside. We are actually at the cruise terminal. As you can see, they are loading some foods and stuff like that. So it's inside. Come, my baby, come. Let's go. Huh? Buddy? Come, you'll get Wi-Fi inside. Come. Come, my baby. Right. So we are actually, as you can see, my wife, my family is taking some videos. All right. My family, my daughter's taking, and my boy is taking some videos. Right. Right. That is a cruise ship, guys. Let me quickly go with the cruise ship so you guys can see how big the thing is. Right. That is the peak of the back of the cruise ship. So we go, 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 we go. That is the end of the cruise ship. It's actually these people are leaving me now. All right, we quickly go inside. All right, so I'm actually going inside, guys. Yo, you can't see me, but anyway, you can see me. It's at night, guys. Okay, that is a cruise ship. That is me. That is me. Come on, baby, come. Let's go inside the cruise ship. Come, let's go inside. All right. So, yeah, anyway. That's it, guys. So they're loading some foods, food for us. That's how it is. The thing is to be, guys. Yeah, it's a moving hotel. It's a moving hotel. Right? It's a moving hotel. So we're actually going inside.